This is an example of I'm standing still at 0 miles per hour and there's power going back into the battery. Let's see here, let's turn off the AC. Okay. This negative BTA indicates current going, amperage going back into the battery. Okay, now the engine stopped and I'm drawing 1.7 amps. And that's the display. And let's turn on the AC. You can see now we're at 5.4 amps. If I turn the AC fan to high, it's drawing 10.3. If I turn it to low, it's 8.9. If I turn off the AC, it drops to 1.6. So you can see that. You know, again, negative is regen and or going into the battery, and positive is coming out of the battery.